Welcome to the Changing Energy Simulation. In this activity, you'll investigate different forms of energy and energy changes. Select the Energy Symbols option to show how each different form of energy is represented. Move the slider below the biker to the far right and observe the energy changes taking place on the screen. Select the pause button on the bottom of the screen to stop the action and the play button to restart the action on the screen. When the biker runs out of energy, select the Feed Me button to provide more energy to the biker. Instead of adding energy to water, the biker can add energy to a light bulb. To do this, select the light bulb from the bottom right menu. If needed, select the Feed Me button to add more energy to the biker. Observe the energy transformations that happen on screen from the biker to the light bulb. To investigate solar energy conversions, select the Sun button from the bottom left side of the screen. Select the Solar Collector button from the bottom middle of the screen. Observe the energy transformations that happen on the screen from the Sun to the Solar Collector to the light bulb. To see how dams are used to transform energy, select the Faucet button from the bottom left side of the screen. Select the Water Wheel button from the bottom middle of the screen. Observe the energy transformations that happen on screen from the falling water to the water wheel to the light bulb. To study how different fuels are used to transform energy, select the Teapot button from the bottom left side of the screen. Select and drag the Heat slider to the Up position. Notice the energy transformations that happen from the teapot to the water wheel to the light bulb. Selecting the orange Reset button on the bottom right side of the screen returns the screen to its original state.